one man, one star, one big plan. God said, I'll make you a great big fan. And boom, stars twinkle. Abraham appears with arms open wide. One struggling wide.
Abraham looked up at the sky so wide. Stars were shining on every side. God said, count them, go ahead. But God, Abe said, that's too many. He said,
That's your family, just believe. I'll bless the world through you and me.
step by step, foot by foot, Father Abraham obeyed and stood. Stars above and sand below. God said go,
So Abe said go.
he packed up his camels, tents and sheep, walked by day and prayed in sleep, left his home, no map in hand, but trusted God's amazing plan.
By step, foot by foot, Father Abraham walked with truth. Wherever God said this is the way, Abe followed strong every single day. Who had faith?
Who had faith?
Who had faith?
Who believed in God's big plan? Abraham, yes he did.
Not what did God promise him?
Kids like stars from every land. Step by step, follow with me. Walk with God like Abraham, see. Faith so big and trust so true. God's promises are for me.